Ito tayo sa taas guys. Ito po, bumalik na kami. Balik na tayo sa ito po ang ating end of adventure sa Isle of Wight. Mali 8:30 po ang aming alis. So nasakayan po yung mga ano na mga pasahero. Ayan po. Ayan pa rin yung mga sasakay. Ang dami pa oh. Marami pa pong sasakay. Brother! Alright bro. Yeah, good. Yeah, bye-bye Isle of Wight. See you soon. Maybe in 1 week, 2 weeks. Toyota Alphard. Maraming pumapasok sa ano. Ano naman tayo doon? Look at that guys oh. Pinalagbag na lang oh. Okay lang kayo? Huwag kayong tatanong ha? Buti nakalusot kayo na isabi nagkikusok siya. May pasok kayo ngayong gabi? Bukas o at least yan maaga. Hatid kayo ni Canuel sa... Okay, buti yan. Ayan o. Sana nakalusot siya na ka-emerald.
Doing drugs and shadows.
Po, palis na tayo guys. Hello.
Welcome aboard the Red Eagle. Please listen very carefully to the following safety announcement. In the unlikely event of an emergency, you will hear a continuous sounding of the ship's alarm. Additionally, the master may make an announcement over this public address system. Remain calm and proceed to assembly point 1 or 2 located at each end of the deck in the main passenger lounge area as directed by the crew. I say again, the crew will direct you to assembly point 1 or 2 located at each end of the deck in the main passenger lounge area. The assembly points are clearly marked by a green sign depicting a family group. Should it become necessary, the ship's crew will issue life jackets and evacuate the vessel down the stairwell marked by the flashing exit signs. This vessel is...
Ikot lang tayo rito guys. Wala tayong magagawa. Hindi mag-ikot-ikot. Ito po, pauwi na tayo. sabi. Basta iwasan nyo lang pong tumalon, baka kayo tumalon. Hindi nakalusot si naka Emerald, hindi. Tinatawagan ko eh, baka dapat nag-try na sila ng try.
Sino?
Alarm dito.
Guys,
Mindoro.
Is it worth having a sensible chat around appropriate hiring times to capture you?
Yan po, lilisanin namin ang Yellow Point. Yun po yung building na yun, Osborne House. So sikat na sikat po rito yan. Kaya alam mo may entrance. Ang ganda po ng view guys. Yun o, dito lang o. Kung gusto ka dito, sigurado na may isda ka naman po fishing dito sa guys. Sensya na po kayo, puro fishing iniisip ko. Puro fishing iniisip ko guys kasi sayang yung panahon, matatapos na naman ang summer. Ang galing po ng ano, nakalinya din yung mga boat dyan oh. Nakalinya rin. So ito yung pinaka breakwater nila para kung halimbawa magkaroon ng ano, hindi didiretso sa mga barko. Mapoproteksyonan po yung malaking alon direct sa kunang boat. Ayan, ano po yung ano, ito yung bridge. So
A very good evening to all of our passengers. My name is Becca, your onboard services officer, and on behalf of the captain and his crew, I'd like to welcome you on board the Red Eagle for this sailing to Southampton. As you're no doubt aware, we do have a very busy sailing this evening. If you have any spare seating next to you, please make this available for anybody else who may be looking, and please do not house bags and other items on spare seating. That would be very much appreciated. Whilst you're on board, please take extreme care when you're moving around the ship, especially snacks. If you have any questions or require any assistance, please speak to a member of crew. And finally, I'd like to thank you very much for travelling with Red Funnel today, and I hope you have an enjoyable crossing with us.
Tinawin yung sunset. Ayan. So, matatagalan ulit siguro, maybe 2 weeks time. Balik tayo dito sa Yellow Point. Maybe one of the ano. Yung kasi hindi na po kami ganun maraming grupo. Pero ito si iba nakakauwi na. Puno po yan, double deck yan, dalawang baba taas sabay. Kanina po nagpunta tayo sa harap. So ito yung sa likod, pero siguro nasa ilang sasakyan ito, siguro mayroong 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, baka umabot po ng 100 plus na sasakyan ang kasama namin dito. Yan na yung bonus sunset eh. Namiss mo natin Mindoro. Mamaya ako po kayo i-update guys sa kabila. Yun ang mga post sa akin.